Hi everyone. Hi guys, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher. And I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So, आज तो आप लोग बहुत खुश होंगे because as you all know, finally your boards exam are postponed for now. But we have to not stop our preparation because वो सिर्फ postponed हुए हैं, cancel नहीं हुए हैं. So we have to continue our preparation and now we will be having more time for preparation. So in this session today we are going to start a sample paper 3. And I hope that all of you have now registered for V.O.T.E. So first of all, wishing all of you a very happy Ambedkar Jayanti. Life should be great, guys, rather than long. So if you want to make your life great, then please start preparing for class 12th boards exam. Okay. So, I hope that all of you have registered for V.O.T.E. and now you will be appearing for V.O.T.E. on 18th April as we have only one day left now. And this is not only an exam, ये सिर्फ exam नहीं है, ये comeback है. So make a comeback this year with Vedantu Online Talent Exam, which is V.O.T.E. Because this is all free exam. There will be no registration fees, no registration charges, nothing. And by participating in V.O.T.E, you can get all India rank. Also, you can get guaranteed scholarship from a pool of rupees 500 crore. Also, you can win exciting prizes daily or weekly worth rupees 1 crore. And you can get a chance to become CEO of Vedantu for one full day. Also, you can win a trip to NASA. So, if you want to win all these exciting prizes like drone, telescope, laptop, mobile phone, watches, Kindle, so to win all these exciting prizes, what we have to do is we have to enroll ourselves for V.O.T.E. Hi Shreya, how are you? So, if you don't know that how to participate in V.O.T.E, how to register yourself, then let me tell you, we have provided all the link in the description box below. Go to that link and enter your details like name, grade, board and target. After entering your details, register yourself. Once you register yourself, your voter ID card will be generated, after which you have to select your voting days. So, once you select your voting days, it's all done, you are registered. So, you can register yourself for V.O.T.E by only 3 simple steps. And if you don't have complete information or if you want to know more about V.O.T.E, then you can check out our website or you can download our mobile app. I am all good, Shreya. Now, are you worried about the exam format, that how this paper would be structured? So let me tell you that there will be total 3 subjects: accounts, business studies and economics. Every subject will have 30 questions. So total there will be 90 questions. For every right answer you will get 4 marks. For every wrong answer there will be -1. And the time duration will be 90 minutes. So you will be getting 1.5 an hour to attempt this paper. Hi Sayed, how are you? Now, if you don't want to play alone, then let me tell you a good news that you can participate and play along with your friends. So go and create your squad right now so that you can participate and play along with your friend and you can win big and exciting prizes together. So those who have not registered themselves for vote, go and register yourself now by visiting the link that is provided in the description box below. Fine, Sayyad. Okay. So now this is our today's schedule. After my session, we will be having 5 more sessions. At 4 p.m. we will be having business new batch for class 12. Then we will be having again business studies session at 6 p.m. Then at 7 p.m. we will be having class 12th new batch accounts. Then we will be having 8 p.m. mathematics and 9 p.m. economics. Hi sir, NPO question कैसे होगा? हो ही नहीं रहा है. Amy, you have to write that particular point in the comments box. If you have a particular doubt in any particular point, then वो आपको comment box में लिखना पड़ेगा. So, as you all know, this is class 12th accountancy session, and this is for those students who will be now appearing for boards. So, if you guys are new to our channel, Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, Vedantu Commerce, and also make sure that you like this video and you share this along with your friends. तो जिसने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है चैनल को, जल्दी से जाओ और सब्सक्राइब करो. No, Amy, I don't have book with me right now. मेरे पास बुक नहीं है. Also, अगर आप लोगों को notes चाहिए in the PDF form, if you want to receive all the notes in PDF form, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce, where all the teachers will be providing the link in PDF form. Now, let's start our today's session, Sample Paper Solving Accountancy. Hi, Jitendra. So, already we have solved 2 sample paper. अभी तक हम 2 sample paper already solve कर चुके हैं. Yes, Piyush, class 10th exams are cancelled. So, आज हम लोग करेंगे sample paper 3 part A. So, in this session we will be solving 1 mark question. Today we will be solving 1 mark question. Then after this session we will be solving 3 mark question, 4 marks question, 6 marks question and 8 marks question. So now tell me, are you guys ready for this session? Yes or no? Amy, आपको यहाँ पर comments में लिखना पड़ेगा वो question. Only then I can answer it. No, Shreya, it will be at 7 p.m. If you are looking for the new batches, then it will be at 7 p.m. today. I'm on this channel. Will there be a new batch for class? Because I'm going to take commerce. Yes, Piyush, definitely we will be starting that soon. So now let's start our today's session of sample paper solving. So first of all, as I have told you, before starting any question, it is very compulsory to read the general instructions. So before starting the paper, you have to first read the general instructions very carefully, because that will tell us which question is compulsory and in which question we will get choice. So these are general instructions that paper will be of 2 parts. Paper will comprise of 2 parts, part A and part B. There are total 32 questions in the question paper and all the questions are compulsory. Part A is compulsory for all the candidates. Part B. Part B has 2 options. First, analysis of financial statement and then computerized accounting. So part B is of 2 parts. Part B is having 2 options, and you have to attempt any one of them. Now, the 4th point is question number 1 to question number 13, and then question number 23 to question number 29. These questions are very short answer type questions carrying 1 mark each. Annie, we can't open the book. Also, I don't have the book with me. मेरे पास books नहीं है. So I'm officially in class 11 without giving exam. Yes, but your results will be announced on a particular criteria that is still to be decided. So these are the general instructions. Now starting with the question number 1. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, the first question is, receipt and payment account generally shows. Receipt and payment account, it will generally show debit balance, credit balance, surplus or deficit, capital fund. So as we all know that receipt and payment account, it is a summary of cash and banking transaction. It is a summary of cash book. So cash book generally shows our debit balance. Receipt and payment account, it generally shows our debit balance. So the answer is A. Sayyid, the answer is A, bacha. Well done, Divesh. The answer is A, debit balance. Coming on to the next question. I am in class 12, 2022. Please tell that we should buy NCERT or not, or we should buy some new edition or T.S. Grewal, or we can buy old edition. Shrishti, there is no need to buy NCERT because NCERT will have very less number of questions that are not enough for us. So you can go for T.S. Grewal or D.K. Goyal, and it all depends on you that you want to go for new edition or old edition, because both will be exactly same. There will be only 10 to 15% change, so you can go for old edition. So our second question is, which one of the following is not an essential feature of partnership? You're welcome, Shrishti. Out of the following, which of these is not an essential feature of partnership? First, there must be an agreement. This is an essential feature. Then there must be a business. This is an essential feature. The business must be carried on for profit. This is again essential. The business must be carried on by all the partners. No, this is not essential. So D, the business must be carried on by all partners. This is not compulsory. As the definition itself, the definition of partnership says that the business may be carried on by all the partner or any one of them. So this is not compulsory. So answer is D. Yes, Divesh, you are absolutely correct. So this is not compulsory that the business must be carried on by all the partners. Piyush, I will be teaching you in the new batches. Now coming on to the third question. Our third question is, if a general donation of smaller amount is received by school, that donation will be shown in. So general donation, it is a revenue receipt. General donation, it is a revenue receipt, and it will be recorded on the debit side of receipt and payment account. It will be recorded on the debit side of receipt and payment account. Well done, Divesh. So yes, the answer is C. It will be recorded on the debit side of receipt and payment account. Coming on to our next question. Subscription received in advance during the current year is, if subscription or if any income is received in advance, how you will treat it? So income received in advance or subscription received in advance, it is liability. It is liability. So the answer is C, liability. Yes, Neha, exams postpone हो गए हैं till 1st of June. भगवान जी ने एक और मौका दिया है अच्छे से पढ़ने का. Yes, so now प्लीज जिन्होंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा अब तो पढ़ लेना बच्चों. ओके, बाय पीयूष, बाय बाय. Yes, Sultan, class 12th exam postponed till 1st of June. So, subscription received in advance during the current year, it is liability. Because anything received in advance, it is liability. Kaushal exams बिल्कुल होंगे बच्चा, because as CBSE said, क्लास 10th एग्जाम्स कैंसिल हुए हैं, लेकिन क्लास 12th एग्जाम्स दे आर ओनली पोस्टपोन टिल 1st of June. तो पोस्टपोन हुए हैं, कैंसिल नहीं हुए, मतलब एग्जाम्स होंगे. कमिंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइज. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अमाउंट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सेल ऑफ ग्रास बाय अ क्लब शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज. So sale of grass by a club is revenue receipt. Sale of grass by a club is revenue receipt. So the answer will be B, revenue receipt. Well done, Divesh. You are answering all the questions correct. Keep it up. So sale of grass by a club, it is what? It is revenue receipt. Coming to our next question, guys. You're welcome, Divesh. The next question is a practical question. So we have to calculate it. A partner withdraws 8,000 each on 1st April and 1st October. Interest on drawings will be charged at 6% per annum. So on 31st March, the interest will be, we have to calculate the interest on drawing. So on 1st April, he withdrew 8,000. So you will calculate 6% interest for the full year, which will be 480. Then he withdraw on 1st October 8,000. So on this 8,000, interest will be calculated at 6%. For 6 months. So it will be 240. So for the whole year it is 480 and for the 6 months it is 240. So total interest on drawing will be 720. Total interest on drawing is 720. The answer will be B. पहले हम 1st April से 31st March का इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे for the full year. Then we will calculate from 1st October to 31st March for 6 months. So 480 plus 240, the total interest will be 720. So the answer is B, 720. Coming on to our next question. The next question is, in the absence of agreement, if there is no partnership agreement, if there is no partnership deed, partners are not entitled to. In case of no agreement, in the absence of agreement, partners are not entitled to. They are not entitled to salary. They are not entitled to commission. Equal share in profit, they are entitled to equal share in profit. So the answer will be both A and B. In the absence of agreement, they are not entitled to A and B, salary and commission. They will be getting equal profit in the absence of agreement. So the answer to this question will be both A and B. They will be not entitled to salary or commission. So D, both A and B. Next question. Forming a partnership deed is mandatory in writing. So forming a partnership deed is mandatory. B, mandatory in writing. C, not mandatory. D, none of the above. So forming a partnership deed is not mandatory. Making an agreement is not mandatory because you may prepare it in written or you may prepare it orally. So forming a partnership deed, it is not mandatory, it is not compulsory, because it can be either written or it can be oral. So the answer is C, not mandatory. Hi Harsh. Okay Harsh, you will be taking commerce in class 11th. The exams postpone, आपके अकॉर्डिंग अच्छी न्यूज है या बुरी? This can be taken in two point, मतलब इसको हम दो तरीके से देख सकते हैं. Those students who have prepared their best for boards, उनके लिए बुरी न्यूज है, बिकॉज उनकी सारी तैयारी हो रखी थी. अब उनको लगेगा यार पेपर क्यों नहीं हुए, हम सारा प्रिपेयर करके बैठे, हो सकता है वो भूल जाए. और जिन बच्चों ने नहीं पढ़ा उनके लिए अच्छी न्यूज है, क्योंकि अब उन्हें टाइम मिल गया और पढ़ने का. सो काफी बच्चों के लिए अच्छी न्यूज है, काफी बच्चों के लिए बुरी न्यूज है. What is mandatory? Sayyad, nothing is mandatory in partnership. Answers दिख रहा है, वो दिखाना है अरुण. According to me, it's bad news. Okay, I told you na that for some it is good, for some it is bad. ICSE will be same for every board. I think the exams will be postponed because COVID cases and COVID is a disease for everyone ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ICSE वालों को COVID नहीं होगा तो उनके पेपर होने चाहिए. मैम लग रहा है कि क्लास 12 में 2 साल बैठे हैं. Yes, you guys can feel this. नेहा, इतना सब सोच चुके हो. कंचन इज ऑल्सो सेइंग एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन होके बुरा लग रहा है, क्योंकि एग्जाम्स हो जाते तो आप लोग जल्दी फ्री हो जाते. अब आपको रुकना पड़ेगा, फिर जून में पता लगेगा कि पेपर कब होंगे, फिर आप एग्जाम दोगे, उसके बाद यू विल बी गेटिंग फ्री. So now let's see what will be happening in June, because on 1st of June we will be getting the final news. Till then we can't say anything na. We have to wait for the final news. अभी तक तो postponed है. Yes नेहा, absolutely. अगर हो जाते तो टेंशन फ्री हो जाते. Okay, now coming back to session guys. बोर्ड्स का देखेंगे, अभी तैयारी करते हैं. आइए. Coming to the next question. Okay, अरुण आप अभी से भूलने लगे हो. Okay, Harsh. So our next question is there, guys. Please come back to the session. Out of the following items, which one is shown in the receipt and payment account? Out of these 4 items, which one of the following will be recorded in the receipt and payment account? Well done. Congratulations, Anirudh. Your exams got cancelled. मजे तो 10th वालों के हैं वैसे ना, इनके पेपर्स ही कैंसिल हो गए. So, outstanding salary, will it be recorded in the receipt and payment account? No, because receipt and payment account, it is prepared on cash basis. So outstanding salary will not be recorded. Depreciation, non-cash item will not be recorded. Life membership fees, it will be recorded, because you will receive life membership fees, you will receive cash. So this will be recorded in the receipt and payment account. Accrued subscription, no, it will not be recorded. So which of the following will be recorded? The answer is C, life membership fees. Kanchan, I was taking class. मैंने कब क्लास नहीं ली? पता नहीं कितने बुरे का पाप किया आपने पिछले जन्म में. अब तो हमें भूल गए ना, वो तो भगवान को ही पता होगा. Now we have more than 2 months. Yes, Prateek. So give your best, guys. जिन्होंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, still you can prepare and you can easily get 50 to 60%. जो ये सोच के बैठे कि हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, you still have lot of time. God is giving you a chances again and again. So take the benefit of it ना. Notification नहीं आया होगा. Next question is, subscription received by a school for organizing annual function is treated as. So subscription received for organizing annual function, this is special subscription. This is special purpose subscription, which is a capital receipt or which is a liability. So the answer is A, capital receipt or liability. Yes, Divesh, the answer is A, capital receipt or liability. Next question. Which of the following is a limitation of ratio analysis? Out of the following, which one of the following is a limitation of ratio analysis? So determine liquidity, it is not a limitation. Forecasting, it is not a limitation. These are advantages. Simplify data, it is not a limitation. Window dressing, yes, this is the limitation. So what is the limitation of ratio analysis? It is C, window dressing. Coming on to our next question. Next question is, which ratio establish a relationship between net credit sale and average trade receivable? So कौन सी रेशो इन दोनों का रिलेशनशिप फाइंड आउट करती है? Which ratio will find out the relationship between net credit sale and average trade receivable? So the answer is trade receivable turnover ratio. The answer is B, trade receivable turnover ratio. Well done, Divesh and Neha. Coming on to next question. Dash gross profit ratio is better as it leaves higher margin to meet operating expenses. Which gross profit ratio is better? Higher, lower, medium, none of the above. So the answer is higher gross profit ratio. Because जितनी ज़्यादा रेशो होगी उतना ज़्यादा आपको मार्जिन मिलेगा प्रॉफिट कवर करने के, खर्चे कवर करने के लिए. So higher the ratio, it is better. So the answer will be A, higher. Well done, Neha and Divesh. The answer is A, higher. Well done, Kanchan and Arun. Next question. So part A is complete. Part A is complete. Now coming on to part B. First question in part B is, cash flow from item related to main activity, related to core activity of business are covered under cash flow from the main activity. You will write it down in operating activity, investing activity, financing activity, none of the above. So yes, Divesh and Neha and Kanchan, the answer is operating activity. Cash flow from core and main activity, it is covered under operating activity. So the answer is A, operating activity. Coming on to next question. For calculating net profit before tax, when we calculate net profit before tax, we will add dash in the current year profit. So you will add proposed dividend of current year, you will add transfer to reserve, you will add interim dividend, or you will add all of the above. So well done, Divesh and Kanchan. The answer is all of the above. We add 4 items: proposed dividend of current year, interim dividend, transfer to reserve, and provision for tax made. So all of these are added in the current year profit. So the answer is D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Yes, Neha, you are absolutely correct. Next question. Decrease in prepaid expenses. Decrease in prepaid expenses is to be dash while adjusting working capital changes. So decrease in prepaid expenses, your asset is decreasing. योर एसेट इज डिक्रीजिंग, आपके एसेट की वैल्यू कम हो रही है, तो वो एक तरीके का लॉस है. एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस हिंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम that loss is added in the operating activity and profit is subtracted. So decrease in prepaid expenses, it is a kind of loss, so it will be added in the working capital changes. So the answer is A, added. Well done, Neha. Sachin, you're okay. Sachin is answering for 24. Well done, Neha and Divesh. Coming on to the next question. Profit on sale of fixed asset, it is to be recorded on dash side of asset account. Profit on the sale of fixed asset, where you will record it in the asset account. So it is recorded on the debit side. It is recorded on the debit side of asset account. Divesh, this is incorrect. It is recorded on the debit side. Credit side we record loss. This is your asset account. To balance brought down, by balance CD, then by bank sale, then by depreciation, and by P&L account. Loss is recorded here, and to P&L account, profit is recorded on the debit side. So profit is recorded on the debit side. So profit will be recorded on the debit side of asset account. Hi Khalsa Kaur. Next question. In financing activity, which of the following item will be considered? In financing activity, in cash flow statement, which of the following item will be considered? We write two statement of P&L in debit side. Yes, Neha, we have to write down two P&L account or two statement of P&L instead of profit. So, depreciation, no, we will not record it. Refund of tax, no, we will not record it. Interest on long-term borrowing, yes, we will record it in financing activity. So the answer is C, interest on long-term borrowing. This will be recorded in financing activity. Coming on to the next question. Which of the following is an operating income? Which of the following is an operating income? Operating income means your part of day-to-day activity. So the answer is sale of merchandise, sale of goods. This is your operating income. This is your core activity. So the answer is A, sale of merchandise. The answer is A. This is operating income. And coming on to our last question, which is generally accepted ideal ratio for current ratio is. What is the ideal ratio for current ratio? 3:1, 4:1, 2:1, or 1:1? So yes, the answer is 2:1. The answer is 2:1. So it will be C2:1. So now we have completed 1 mark question of this sample paper 3. In the next session, we will be solving 3 marks and 4 marks question. Yes, Neha, operating income is related to day-to-day main activities of the business. So today we have covered the 1 mark questions of the sample paper 3. In next, we will be solving the 3 marks question. So this sample paper will be continued tomorrow at same time 3 p.m. And if you guys want to go further with best grades, if you want to score good marks in class 12, then you can join us in Pro Subscription, because here we will be providing some amazing benefits to you that will be helping you for sure in scoring good marks. So we are providing more than 2,000 hours of live online classes. You can watch unlimited live classes of all the subjects. Along with that, Hanji Neha, it will be at 4 or 6 p.m. You have to check it, Neha. It will be either at 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. Along with that, we are also providing you more than 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be teaching you, and all these teachers will continuously focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. Also, we will be conducting regular tests for you. We will be providing regular assignments to you containing thousands of questions. And all these classes will be conducted in English only. So if you want to score good marks in class 12, then go and take your Pro Subscription right now. The actual price for 1 month is 1,500. But right now we are providing you flat 10% discount, after which you have to pay only 1,350. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go and take this Pro Subscription right now so that you can score good marks. And for discount, you may use my promo code SCPRO. And I would love to see you all on Pro Subscription. Rock, how can we get to know that? What do you want to know, Rock? And please एक बार time बता दो all subjects का. Okay, give me 1 second. So this is your schedule, Pradeep. You can check it out, or you can take the screenshot of this. Pradeep, this is the schedule. You can take the screenshot of this. Okay? So that's it for today, guys. If you want to have our notes in the PDF form, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The links are also provided in the description box below. And if you guys are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching this phase for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more such classes. Also, make sure that you like this video and you share this along with your friends. So now see you all tomorrow at same time 3 p.m. at same place. Till then, take care, good night, have a good day everyone. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So please do provide a big thumbs up to it.